We have Mark Cuban going back and forth with Peter Schiff on Twitter. Peter Schiff is the gold guy. He's been on Rogan's podcast a few times. He's the precious metal guy. He thinks gold can save everything. Always talking about the government printing too much money, or the Federal Reserve in the United States printing too much money. He went to Puerto Rico, save on the taxes. I listened to the podcast. It was a while ago, but I recall some of it. Anyway, big on gold. So he's been going head to head with the Bitcoin types, with the crypto types on Twitter, saying, your crypto ain't no gold. I mean, I'm paraphrasing, but
sure.
Gold is better. Gold is real. Physical, gold is forever. It's a store of value, blah, blah, blah. Well, this is significant. Mark Cuban coming after him because Cuban has been a little slow, I guess, on the crypto thing himself. He's starting to embrace right now, but he was actually an opponent himself for a period of time, not a believer, let's say. And so he's gone so far now to tell Peter Schiff, at least roughly, that gold is dead, that gold is old technology, and it's done its part as far as being a store of value. He compares the mining of gold, the tools for the mining of actual physical gold, being technology themselves, and how just the comparison to the mining of crypto and that being a technological component itself. But then Cuban is also a huge DeFi guy as far as blockchain stuff, Ethereum guy, and all the financial products that can live on the
embracing crypto
on the blockchain. He lit up. Like, Cuban has now lit up as far as crypto is concerned. He was also public. He was doing a lot of talking around the GME stuff. He's just, I don't know, he's talking right now.
Sure.
He's out there. He's available. Get him on this screen. He'll give an interview. He's available. Mark Cuban available right now. He's over here tweeting at Peter Schiff. Now, Peter Schiff has become somehow a major enemy of the crypto movement because he's always in the replies. I think Elon went back and forth with him. Everybody, he's in the replies. Gold, 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 gold. Anyway, somebody actually went so far as making a chart about Peter Schiff's tweets and when to buy crypto, that every time he criticizes crypto is about to balloon. So anyway,
correlated.
There's a little chart down there, which is kind of funny. It's a little bit further. There you go. He says Bitcoin is up 4x in 2020. What's going to happen? Another bear market like 2018. And then and they're considering that a buy signal. Then crypto goes up and then it goes down. He tweets again and then it goes up. I don't know. What does this really mean? Either way, it's turning into a kind of a fun little back and forth.
Sure. And
Peter Schiff, like, for his business, and Cuban and everybody else for that matter, they get in these articles because of it, right? They're doing their part, whether it's crypto or gold or whatever it happens to be. It's often, they're just trying to as well promote themselves. And so that works on top of the fact that they're talking about their opinion on these, whether you want to call them stores of value or technology or whatever else. But here's some of what Cuban was saying. I'll give you a couple of quotes. BTC/ETH are technologies that can make you a banker, allow friction-free exchange of value, and are extensible into an unlimited range of biz and personal applications. But gold won't ever change, which is why it will die as an SOV, store of value. Gold is dead, Peter. Move on. Wow. That's a tough one. That's a scary one if you're holding a lot of gold. If you're a guy like Peter Schiff, I presume, that's what he's preaching.
Right.
Now, gold is gold for now. Gold is gold for now, but I have to admit, it lacking a little excitement compared to crypto. Just a touch, just a tiny touch.
Yeah.
Speaking of crypto, we do have an Elon story, not crypto related, actually related to the operations in Texas over there.